How to start a group call in Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can start a group call in your Snapchat. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Snapchat. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, after you've done that, you can head over to your chat section and just go to the group you want to start a call with. Now, if you do not have a group, you can simply create one. It's really simple. So you will see this icon on the top right corner. Simply press on it and choose the people that you want in your group. Now, after you've done that, simply head over to the group and you will see two options on the top right. You will see one is the audio call. The second is the video call. So simply tap on one to start a call. Now you can simply talk to your friends, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. That is how you start a group call in your Snapchat. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Bye bye.